Hi everyone, welcome to the Hodelman Traders. Today's video we will discover a next potential price action of Bitcoin. Also I will show you my strategy, what I gonna do, when I gonna buy, when I gonna sell. And all what you see in that video will be only my opinions. I'm not your financial advisor and does it not financial advice. So let's start it. In this episode I want to talk about a possible fake breakout above 9,100. So I invite you into the chart, and all your questions about Bitcoin price action at the end of this episode will be fixed. First of all, I want to start with this chart, and actually, as I seen in a lot of Telegram channels and Telegram chat, that a lot of people comparing these two situations, which would happen here and here, which look like almost the same. So following these details, a lot of people thinking that we will continue this crazy bullish rally until 14,000, 15,000 per Bitcoin, but it looks the same. So those people have a right to think like that, but we have to don't forget that these situations was created in a new highs. I mean, this level of 8,000 was a new high in the last 5 years of Bitcoin action. So this move was unpredictable. But what we have here, in exactly the same level, we have resistance at 9,800. We have resistance, actually strong resistance, at 12,000. We have huge resistance at 14,000. We have resistance at 17,000. So is it possible to break all those levels? Yes, it's possible, but is unlikely. So the highest price what I expect from here is to touch those level here is 10,000 level. So if we go to the smaller time frames, like a 4-hour chart, we still have a chances to raise up, to touch it, and to get a pullback to 6K level. So if you see somewhere the pictures like that, comparing these two situations, you have to be aware that in 2017 it was a new highs, and we had not a resistance as we have right now. You understand what I mean? So let's check properly this weekly candle and levels. As I showed you before in the last episode, I told you about 8,800 level, which was a key level. So now we broke it above and we still stay here. This is also another important thing. So if during this week we're gonna stay between these two yellow lines, there is a high probability to catch a pullback down, because to get chances to continue this move up, we have to break the previous highest high. If we will not do that, we will get a chance to buy our Bitcoin cheaper. As you see, a weekly candle analysis look pretty bullish, but let's check the indicators as well, in a daily, in a weekly, and in the monthly charts. Another side that can be a potential bull trap is MACD divergence. So as you see, momentum is lower than previous low in the chart. You see absolutely different situation. So it's the first time of maybe 2 years we find divergence in the weekly time frame. Alright, yeah, as I told you before, we can continue this little spike up to 9,800 level, and after the 6K will be too close. If we see relative straight index, its RSI, it will be absolutely the same, as you can see here. Anyway, is still unconfirmed, but it looks scary, by the way. If the RSI will gonna come to here, to like a global support is a 50 level, we can see Bitcoin easily to, and stochastic RSI is first time in the last 2 months broke this 80 level and it's holding below, so is a huge bearish sign right now. Daily it's look overbought. Is around same story will be in the monthly, is overbought. You know, nobody knows about where Bitcoin gonna go, where to buy and where to sell. All that stuff is only probabilities, and now is actually pretty hard situation because we was evident of major move up without any retracement, so it could be potential a bull trap right now because there's a lot of traders around the world. They are watching this chart in a weekly time frame, and what we did in the price section, so we broke this level up to 9,500 and held a few days above, and is actually a high signal for longs, and also there is a high probability that most of traders gonna buy now. Actually is a lot of greed and FOMO in the markets right now, especially at Bitcoin. So what exactly I will do now? I will buy a shorts. It means that I will earn my money when the price will drop down. Thank you guys, hope that video helps. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comments below. I appreciate you, see you in the next videos.